Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to view hidden file in your Windows 11. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently brought this Windows 11 or you might be upgraded from Windows 10 to 11 and you are looking for how to view hidden file. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click here the search bar and type here file explorer. You're going to find here file explorer. After open file explorer, you can easily choose any jump over any folder. And now if you want to show hidden file, you need to click this view tab and click here show and click here hidden items. So whenever you click hidden items, you're going to see all the hidden file folder going to be appear in your whole tired Windows 11 PC, which is really quite interesting. Also, you can view this hidden file and folder with alternate way or another way. For example, I am in File Explorer and I want to view hidden file and folder. So you need to click this three dot and then click here options, and then you're going to see the folder option going to be up here. You need to click here view and choose the show hidden file folder and drivers, and you can click here apply and you can click here OK. So you're going to see all your hidden files folder going to be appear in your Windows 11. Now maybe somehow or some cases you want to hide hidden file and folder. You need to go again same section, go here file explorer and click this view tab and click here show, and you can just uncheck this hidden items folder. If I go here downloads folder, I had three file hidden. Now you can say it's not appear. So within this way we can easily view hidden file in your Windows 11. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one.